friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Treat Cysts with this herbal blend. Hi friends, this is Rabia here. I hope every one of you have watched my channel trailer I recently uploaded. If not, please go ahead and watch it after this video. Today I will share with you an amazing herbal blend tea recipe which will assist to solve the problem of cysts, a pathological change that 80% of the women around the world fight with. It is very simple. You have to create a mix of yarrow and marigold flower that you simply can get without much effort from your nearest located herbal store. So let's go to the ingredients, which will be 100 grams dried marigold flower, 100 grams yarrow. Preparation: mix the two herbs in a bowl. Don't leave any spoon in the bowl before you put the water. Then pour 250 ml of hot but not boiled water in it. Allow it to stand for 10 minutes. After that, strain and drink the tea every morning for 6 weeks without any disruption. It will clear out your cysts and will prevent from recurring. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.